Hello everybody, it is Christine. It is time to do my counterfeit kit reveal. Let me show you the inspiration kit, and hopefully I can do this without buggering stuff up. It is a Sweet Shops design by Tracy Reed. I guess it's a digital. Oh God, you guys, I'm not even on the screen. Where y'all? You should tell me. Is it gonna be too shiny? Okay, there we go. The thing is, the kit is called Anywhere But Here, and it's a vacation themed, which makes total sense, right? Because we're coming into summertime and all that. And it's got this really nice color palette. And I'm going to show you in a second how this was like so easy and such a no-brainer for me. But it's kind of got some navies, it's got some turquoise, light blues, there's kind of a coral, kind of reddish, yellow. It's just a real fun, bright collection. And then there's like cars and hotel keys and hot air balloons and what is that, a coconut tree, all this stuff kind of related to vacation, maps, planes, things like that. And if you kind of get into like the things, you kind of see the papers and stuff here. I'm not going to leave this up because I did go in, the reason this is such a no-brainer for me, I'll show you this real quick. My travel papers are this minis. I have a thing full of these. And so I thought, oh, this is really cool. And the best part is I did have this My Mind's Eye was cityscapes, and it has a lot of those same colors. So that was perfect. I have letters, I have some stickers, you can kind of see all that. I also had, and this is what I'm going to get in a second, I'll show you the papers, I'm cheating just a tad. Not really, but kind of. I had a few like pieces, stuff here. I got hotel keys, it says hotel. There's pieces all in that color collection. I have Let's Travel, chipboard phrases, which is all this travel-y stuff. Again, kind of the same color palettes, which is perfect. And have a few of these little guys here. The green's not so much, but there is this air travel and this little globe that's in kind of the colors. And I also kind of pulled out these letters just in case. I don't know what I'll spell. It's not a whole alphabet, but it's, it's not too bad. I pulled out Passport. I pulled out Seattle. I don't know if I'll do anything with these particular type of travel destinations, but going to have it handy. I do have Just Plain Fun, and I have a few enamel dots here. And I had the little pieces here, which has got like some travel stuff in it. I also have this October Afternoon Travel Girl Miscellany. This is obviously, you can't get this kind of stuff anymore, so we'll see what I can do with this. But it's got like a little map and, kind of travel themed things. There's a little boarding pass. I had this chipboard chipboard thing here called Our Travels from Webster's Pages, you guys. But it also has some of the, not as much. I mean, I do have, there's some things here that are the right colors. Some are a little too bright, so we'll have to kind of pick and choose, but that's okay. But what I'm really excited about is I had this Cityscape 6x8 paper pad. So I'm cheating just a tad. In my mind, I'm cheating because I didn't pull all 12x12s. But I really do think this is a good opportunity to use this 6x8 pad here. And there's a lot of little travel things, and the color palette is just perfect because look at that. Isn't that great? I did pull out some papers here. So I've got, some of these are going to be a little, the red is a little bit more prominent than I think this inspiration kit is. But I'm going to make that work anyway. So I have that airplane one there. And there's always a B-side. Like this has a B-side that's it's got some red on it, but it's got the little map. Planes there. I have little suitcases. And the backside is a navy blue, which is kind of in the colors. I have this piece here, which was Bella Boulevard's Let's Go. This was Echo Park, by the way, Go See Explore. This is Let's Go by Bella Boulevard. And it's kind of a cut-apart page. The backside has these little gray airplanes. So good versatile pattern there. This is kind of a solid. It's that same Our Travels. It's a nice solid with this little baby bit up here. So there could be something fun there. And we have a kind of a, I'm going to call this kind of corally. So it kind of goes again with the color palette. It's got these little like hot air balloons, boats, kind of go-to things. And the backside is all these tickets. So then I have this stripe. There was a stripe in there, and I thought this went really well. This is actually Bo Bunny's Key Lime, but it goes really well with those colors there. I shouldn't probably push those so far away. See if you can see those. I don't know if you guys can tell. I was really excited about this kit because I'm like, I could build a kit out of this one. There's this one here, which is October Afternoon also. Again, this blue and this turquoise kind of goes. The backside is also travel stuff, so if I felt like cutting any of this out, I could. I thought this was kind of neat. I have this piece here, which is this cool, really cool radar looking thing. And it's from that Adrian collection, Our Travels Again. There's also this like star, what do you call that? Constellations? Yeah. Then there's this sheet here, which is again that Our Travels with this cool coral with the little flowers and stuff. But look how beautiful that looks together, you guys. Just look at that. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm excited. Then I did pull out this geotag. It's gray, so it'd have to be, you know, kind of worked in. But there are colors, you know, that would work together. You know, that actually the little taxi cabs would work, all this kind of stuff. And then the last sheet I had is this. I've actually cut into it, but I figured why not. It's an Echo Parks Explorer, I guess. But it's a like little compassy looking things and then like a little map. So that's what I got to go with, you guys. I got a good sized kit. I was proud of myself for finding all this. Although, to be fair, like I said, I half cheated because it was all in one bucket. But it's all perfect. So that's what I'm going to work with. So you guys, don't forget to check out the blog. Don't forget to check out the Facebook group. And if you do projects with us, please make sure you post them in the Facebook group, because we do like to do a follower showcase once a month. And, you know, we got a few regulars that kind of pop up in there, but they can't win all the time, right? So make sure you post in there. Check out the various challenges throughout the month. I'll be in one of those. We actually have International Scrapbook Day too. We're going to have, I think they're all going in the Facebook group. So we'll have a challenge every hour on International Scrapbook Day, which is the 3rd. And I forgot what time I took. I think 6 p.m. So make sure you check out the Facebook group on INSD. And we'll see you next time. Bye.